Hi, Jacob from AVA here. I'm personally very excited to share the AVA GO with you, a product we recently launched here in the US, made specifically for car washing in mind. So let's unbox it and see what's inside. Right here on top, you'll notice a QR code that prompts you to sign up for your 10-year extended warranty. We highly recommend you take advantage of this to ensure your machine is covered and maintained throughout the years. We at AVA stand by our products, and this extended warranty helps you maintain your machine to make sure it's in good shape throughout the years. First, you'll find your microfiber mop, perfect for car detailing. Next, you'll find your foam cannon head as well as the 1-liter detergent bottle, which features a double thread fitting both the AVA detergent bottle and standard bottle threads. And inside, you'll see the zoom lens head and 4 nozzles as well as your garden hose attachment. Next, you'll see the zoom lens, which we need to quickly assemble. Lastly, here is your 40-foot flexible hose, an awesome hose giving you reach to get around the car without having to move the machine. And lastly, of course, the AVA GO. Once the plastic is off the go and it's out of the box, you'll find the zero force gun is sitting in its storage compartment. Now grab your 4 nozzles. These have a desired spot on the machine, as well as your turbo nozzle. One of the great things about the AVA GO is it is almost completely pre-assembled and ready to go. The only thing we need to do is assemble the zoom lens. First, you'll need your zoom lens, the attached U-pin, zoom lens head, as well as a rubber mallet or a hammer. First, you'll take the zoom lens head and insert it into the inner tube of the zoom lens. Then you'll take the U-pin, put it into the 2 designated holes, take your rubber mallet or hammer, and then simply just compress the U-pin until it's flush with the zoom lens. And just like that, your zoom lens is ready to go. Next, grab your garden hose attachment, line up the thread on the machine so we don't cross thread, tighten this up. In the next video, I'll walk you through how to get your machine up and running smoothly, along with some tips on proper storage to keep it in top condition.